To do when your Hotwire application is not loading or it's crashing constantly. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network so that you don't have any internet issues while logging into the application. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a network. After that, you shouldn't be having any internet issues. However, if the app is still not loading, you can simply go to your app store. You can simply go to your settings. After that, you want to click on your general and click on iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Hotwire application. Here's our Hotwire application. Simply tap on it and click on offload app. Click on offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you log in, the application should not have any issues. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem, you can simply delete the application and install it from the App Store again. And if that doesn't work either, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.